guys? I hope you're all doing really well and staying safe, and more importantly, staying home. For today's video, I thought that I would do a little bit of a grocery haul. I personally love watching grocery hauls. They always give me really good ideas about some new items that I can get to help me create better and more efficient meal plans. I'm one of these people that I always look at my fridge and I open the doors and I go, I have nothing to eat. Just like I look at my closet, I don't know about you girls, look at my closet and I say I have nothing to wear. And yes, I have food, and yes, I have clothes, but sometimes I just need help to get out of this rut. So I'm gonna take you through this, but before I do, if you're new to my channel, my name is Angela and I have a little girl named Ava who's 3. I have a great husband and an amazing dog named Buster Brown. I like to create videos about lifestyle and mummy hacks and tips and tricks just to make the everyday life a little bit more extraordinary. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, I've laid out everything on my countertop and I've tried to do it in a really smart order to make this video not so long and boring for you. So the first thing that I want to start with is meat. So I did want to stock up a little bit. I got some frozen chicken breasts. These are always great to pop in a casserole dish, throw in the oven with some sauce, and then there you go, you got some dinner. I also got some minced turkey, some hot dogs. It's supposed to be about 18 degrees this weekend and I'm so excited. So we want to barbecue, and obviously every toddler loves hot dogs. I also got some beef tenderloin steaks, do a nice steak dinner. And then these President's Choice sausage rolls are amazing. My husband absolutely loves these. I also got some smoked Black Forest ham for sandwiches, for lunches for Ava. Also, sometimes I'll do a grilled cheese for her and throw in some ham, and that's really good to get her a little bit of protein in there. Well, you can't go wrong with frozen French fries. We got an air fryer and throwing these in there makes them nice and crispy. Ava really likes to have chicken nuggets and fries once in a while, so as a treat, she gets those. I stocked up on this 4-berry blend from President's Choice. I really like making Ava smoothies and throwing in some spinach, or really a good tip for you guys is if you throw in some zucchini. So I chop up zucchini and throw it in my freezer. So throw in about a 1/4 cup of zucchini with your smoothie and it makes it creamy just like you would if you're using a banana. I also got some sweet peppers. I like throwing vegetables into my recipes wherever I can. Both my husband and my toddler are not a fan of veggies all the time, so I try and sneak them in wherever I can. Some green leaf lettuce to throw in with sandwiches. Also, I made a at-home McChicken sandwich, and this green leaf lettuce is always really good with that. Got some green onions and cucumbers and tomatoes for salads. Along with my sandwiches, sometimes I like to just slice up some cucumbers and some baby carrots I already have in the fridge. I got some radishes because I have some potatoes and I'm gonna make a potato salad this weekend. So I always like putting fresh radishes. Radishes always remind me of springtime. I got a mixed green salad. You know, in a quick pinch, if we just want a nice fresh salad, that's always easy to use. Also got a bag of baby spinach because I like throwing baby spinach in with my smoothies in the morning. I usually have a smoothie every morning with just fruit and spinach, a little bit of protein powder, and some cashew milk. I got fresh strawberries. These look absolutely delicious. They look so good. Ava loves strawberries. I also got some limes. I like using limes with my water. It really takes just the taste away of just plain water. I got Ava some nice fresh grapes. She hasn't had grapes in a while, so she'll be really excited to have those. I already had these oranges and apples on hand from the last grocery haul that I did. So Ava loves apples with peanut butter, and that's always a really good snack that I always forget about. Apples with peanut butter, and also sometimes she likes crackers with peanut butter and apple for lunch with like a piece of cheese, which is great. I also stocked up on some bananas. Now what I usually do is I'll leave a few of these bananas out because Ava will snack on them, and they're not too big. I never get the big ones. But with the rest of the bananas, I'll cut them in half. I'll put them in a freezer bag in the freezer, obviously, and then just throw in a 1/4 or a half a banana in my smoothie. They're already frozen and they taste so good when they're cold. I got some cashew milk. Like I said, I use this for my smoothies. I also use cashew milk sometimes when I'm making a latte with my Nespresso machine. Ava drinks 2% milk always in the morning. I give her a cup of milk when she wakes up, and that usually tides over until we have breakfast. And then I got some half and half cream, and that's for a video that I'm gonna do later on for my at-home iced coffee recipe. I got some Cracker Barrel medium cheddar slices to put on sandwiches. I always like a ham sandwich with a slice of cheddar cheese and some tomato and green leaf lettuce. Here's some yogurt. I always put this yogurt in Ava's smoothie for her. She really likes that. And then it's cheese strings. Cheese strings are always a good little snack for Ava. So especially because now I got grapes, I can give her a cheese string and maybe some grapes cut up. That would be good. This next item is absolutely not a necessity, but I thought it'd be a nice little treat. Look guys, I got Haagen-Dazs. Totally not an essential item, but as a treat after dinner, I'm so excited. Mirek is really not a sweets guy. Sometimes that's really annoying because I bake and then he doesn't want to eat anything. So really this is for Ava and I. Well, at least I say it's for Ava and I. All right, moving on. I got Ava these Ritz Bits sandwiches, and these are the cheese flavored ones. Once in a while I'll give her these as a snack. I don't make it a regular occurrence, but once in a while I don't mind. And then I also got her some Ritz original crackers. Again, she likes dipping these in peanut butter or just having cheese and crackers as a snack. We needed some salsa, so I got the Pace Chunky Salsa Medium. I usually like to get the big jug of salsa, but they didn't have any this time, so I just had to get the jar. I also got some Crystal Light. My husband likes putting Crystal Light with his water, so I got the tangerine grapefruit and the iced tea blend. I also got some bread and butter pickles. Sometimes for dinner, Mirek and I love picking at like cheese and crackers and sausage and put some like fresh fruit and some vegetables out there. That is sometimes my favorite dinner, when you can just like pick. Put a nice thing of like hummus out there, and then you can dip your crackers in hummus. Oh, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. We'll see, we'll see. Let's continue on. I got some Hellmann's olive oil mayonnaise. I use that on sandwiches and some dips and spreads that I like to make. I got Ava, she loves this ketchup, her low sodium Heinz ketchup. I use this President's Choice olive oil spray quite often. Even last night I did tortilla pizzas. I have a really great recipe for that I actually got from Trey Chic Mama online, and you just toast up your tortilla, and I sprayed the tortilla either side with this and popped it in a frying pan, and it got so crispy. It was so yummy. And a good little hack if you just want pizza and you don't want to order. Then I got a tomato sauce and a diced tomatoes, and then I got this Clubhouse pack of chili. I thought that with the ground turkey and some of the sweet peppers, it'd be nice to make a chili. Then that way I can freeze some and put it in my deep freeze for later on. Did you guys watch the latest episode of The Kardashians last night when Kris Jenner was feeding Kylie those crunchy tacos? I was craving those tacos. They looked so good. And when she took a big bite of the crunch, my husband and I turned to each other and we're like, okay, we need tacos. So we're gonna have taco night tonight. I know it's not Taco Tuesday. It's usually like pizza party Friday night for us, but it's gonna be taco night for us. So I picked up this kit. I picked up the Old El Paso dinner kit. It has hard and soft tacos. Let me know down in the comments below if you're a hard taco or a soft taco person. I definitely am the hard taco, and Mirek is definitely the soft. And I think Ava will be the soft too. So we'll give this a try and have tacos tonight. Then I also got some brown bread. Ava really likes peanut butter and jam in the morning, grilled cheese sandwiches, just bread in general. And then I also got some hot dog and hamburger buns because it's supposed to be really nice this weekend, and I'm so excited because we may have spring. Then some non-grocery items. I got this Live Clean coconut milk hand soap because we're almost out of hand soap. I also got this Sally Hansen Insta Dry nail polish in the color Peachy Breeze. I thought that was nice and summery and spring. Can you tell I keep saying summer and spring, that I'm craving some sunshine? I also got this Life at Home candle Tropical Oasis scent. It's the Superstore or President's Choice brand of candle. I usually get all my candles from Bath & Body Works, but I don't have any spring and summer scents. I only have the winter ones left over. I needed some new razors. We needed some batteries because some of Ava's toys are out of batteries. And then these look so cute. Just these little lemon napkins. I thought that would be be really cute on our kitchen table. So this last product I got is absolutely not necessary. In fact, it was probably really silly of me to buy. I know that I shouldn't have bought it. I know that I shouldn't do this, but yet here I am. I bought a hair dye. I know, I can hear you all now. Yes, I know I shouldn't have done that. Yes, Shelly, my hairstylist, I know I shouldn't do this, but look at my roots. Look how dark they are. Look how long my hair is. I don't know what to do. So I may or may not use this hair dye, or maybe I'll just dye my husband's hair. We'll see. We'll see what I get up to. What do you guys think? So these are all of my groceries. And I can't wait because we have some nice fresh produce. I have some great meal plans for the week. And I also have an upcoming video that I'm gonna film for you guys for an instant coffee when your coffee shop isn't open. All right, you guys, well, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me for this grocery haul. I hope that you got some maybe new ideas that you might pick up on your next grocery trip. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye. Mwah.